Mr. Ray, what was the homework again? Well, it was to film a wild animal. Oh, I have tons of those in my house. Isn't that dangerous? Sometimes. I gotta get the camera on. Alright, we gotta find some wild animals. Here we have a what you say, in natural habitat, feeding off the grass. As you can see, she is very wild. Gotta back up because she'll come at me. She looks up, trying to understand what is happening. The wild cat has his territory marked. But look, the wild just say flops her limpy limb in disargument. She does not like the cat, not one bit. We shall follow, see what she does. Now mush. Yes, I am a bush.
Oh, that's a nice caterpillar over there. Very nice caterpillar.
The wild just say has marked her territory this time. The wild just say now has her territory marked. Oh, I think she's dead. Oh wait. Oh, sadly, she's not dead. Oh, nope, I'm just a bush. Just a bush. Hey, that was scary indeed. Oh yes, it was. She's taking a daily hike up Mount Poop. Mount Poop. It looks like we gotta take a hike too. Oh, she fell back down. How unfortunate. She just went back to the spot she was at. Now that she's up here.
I do the daily jig. You watch my daily jig?
Just a bush. Just a bush.
Wow!
She's getting ready to do a big jump. I think. That or she's having a seizure. I think it was the seizure. She's very confused and does not know what to do. She's getting ready to jump. Getting ready. Successfully landed the jump, I think. The world just saying. Sitting. Just doing nothing. Blum, 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 blum. Her stomach seems to be growling, and she does not know where it is coming from. She claps her hand, hoping to attract prey. Blum, blum, blum. Then realizes it is not working, because clapping your hands does not do anything. Dummy. Get your hands away from the camera. Go! Go! No! Go! Ouch! Run! Run! We have escaped. We will get more footage of her. She's trying to hike up the mountain to get to me. Uh-oh, wait, what's that over there? A wild toad eating grass.
Oh, would you look at that?
She's gonna go
Bing!
hunt the toad.
Pounce!
Looks like she has carried away the wild toad. Did not win this battle. After her delicious meal, her butt starts to be twitching. You know what that means? A big poo-poo's coming. She doesn't have a squatty potty to help her.
Aroo?
Aroo indeed. Aroo indeed. Watch her as she gallops gracefully to the nearest potty spot. Potty spot it will be, right next to on the book. That is one of Woody's favorites. And what would you say? It's going to use the bathroom. Walking down my person. Her butt is twitching. She's going to, well, she's maybe not going to use the bathroom after all. Let's watch. She's floating upwards. What a weird occurrence. Oh, I guess she's not going to poop in the toilet. She's going to poop in the sink. Or a cup next to the sink?
Privacy, please.
Sorry. Alright, she gets off of her cup. Ew, is that green? Ew. Why is she pink green? Ew. Now she's gonna dump it. Woody's gonna have to clean that up. Does he know that she does this? This is really gross. Ew. She crushes the cup too? She throws the cup in the sink? Hopefully she doesn't do anything to Woody's toothbrush. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, she's rubbing a toothbrush on a butt. That's really gross. Woody is not going to be happy about this. That is...
Who cares about that guy?
That's the day if a royal just say what she does on a normal basis. She missed. Oh, there she goes. So, Mr. Ray, what did you think of my project? Well, it was gross, and she pooped in a cup, and she rubbed her butt on someone's toothbrush, and she attacked a person. You got enough. F stands for fantastic. I'm getting into that good college. Yay!
You know you will.
I know. Woody. Wait. Jesse? What a weird day.
F.